case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, a tragic accident occurred when a driver fell asleep at the wheel of a van overloaded with 21 children and 3 adults. The van collided with another vehicle, resulting in the deaths of 2 children. At the time, the court dismissed charges of involuntary manslaughter due to a lack of evidence of recklessness or gross negligence. However, the situation led to a lawsuit, Commonwealth v. Huggins, which made its way to the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania in 2003. The crux of the case was whether involuntary manslaughter, as a criminal charge, could be applied when someone causes another person's death by acting recklessly or with criminal negligence. The Commonwealth argued that the driver's actions, speeding, failing to secure seatbelts for children, and overloading the van, showed a conscious disregard for safety and met the criteria for involuntary manslaughter. The lower court's decision was challenged, and ultimately, the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania agreed with the Commonwealth. The higher court reinstated the charges of involuntary manslaughter, citing that sufficient evidence showed the driver's negligence and reckless actions caused the deaths of the 2 children. With the charges reinstated, the case returned to Monroe County's Court of Common Pleas for a retrial. The former Chief Justice did not participate in this decision. The driver pled guilty to the involuntary manslaughter charges and received a prison sentence, bringing legal resolution to this tragic event.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.